Emma brings a lot of dynamism to the classroom and she values each individual child as themselves.
My son says that he really enjoys Miss Evans as a teacher. He said, she gets me, she understands me. He comes home talking about what he's learned.
I struggle a lot in doing work, but she hasn't gave up on any of the kids.
She's always thinking about how she can make things better for the children. She listens to them, so everything that she does is pupil-led.
Miss Evans is caring, kind and excellent.
What Paul brings to the classroom is energy, unbelievable energy.
When you get to the end of the lesson, well, you almost feel like you want to applaud and shout encore.
He's respected by the children. They all love him, and especially they love the astronomy club that they do with him.
I'd say he's very enthusiastic, knowledgeable and inspiring.
I'm very passionate and he enjoys it. You can tell when someone enjoys what they're teaching.
I think the learners would have nominated Rhian because of how kind, caring and compassionate she is.
She's impacted my life quite a lot. I was going through a lot before. I just felt like I could talk to her when I majorly needed somebody there to talk to.
I'm a mature student, I've got 2 children. I'll be worrying and I'll be like, oh, Rhi, you know, I can't, and she's like, no, we're not allowed to apologise in the class, are we? I genuinely think if it wasn't for Rhian, I wouldn't have lasted on this course as long as I have. And her Welsh language is just, she's amazing with her Welsh language. She's so strong and passionate about our country, it's just slush.
If I could go through my education again, I would love to be taught by somebody like Rhian because she's just beautiful and amazing.